In this video, we're going to use this Sodastream to carbonate Zinfandel wine. So I have some Zinfandel I just opened. It's probably better if you chill it first. You want to fill the Sodastream bottle up to the mark at the top, not overfill it or underfill it, and then get started. So let's get going. First we'll fill it up. Now, I read the instructions and it's not recommended to put any other liquid apart from water in these bottles. So do this at your own risk. It looks like it's going to take this whole bottle. It did take the whole bottle, which is why I have a second bottle to get it up to that mark. I'm going to give it 5 1-second pushes. I've given it 2 already. 3. You want to wait a little bit between each push. Wait about a minute between each push. It's got 2 more to go, and then we're going to check it out. The reason you have to wait in between each push is that the CO2 actually reacts with the water and the wine to form carbonic acid. So this chemical reaction takes a little bit of time. Turns out 5 1-second pushes of the button wasn't enough to carbonate this fully, so I'm going to give it like another 3 pushes. So here goes. That's 1. Now I'm going to slowly press this button and release the pressure. Here goes. If you do it too fast, it'll all just shoot out. As you can see, it's getting ready to do right now. Okay, all the pressure's out. We can take the bottle off now. It's a nice fizz on that. Time for tasting. Cheers, guys. That is perfect. That's great. Thanks for checking in, and please come back to this channel for more vids. If you've got any suggestions, I'd be happy to hear them. See you soon.